Hi everyone, I'm Gadolan. Welcome to my channel where I'll show you how I create music. Today I'm going to teach you how the kick and bass work together in trance music. We'll look at EQ, create a bass pattern with Spire in the piano roll, and see the importance of sidechain on the bass, as well as cutting stereo sound in the low frequencies to avoid phase cancellation. The main goal is to build a solid foundation for any trance track, kick plus bass. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Show the sound bank. Let's try out some kicks from my library. The most important thing is that it fits the trance style, powerful, clean, and with punch in the low end. This one sounds good, so let's drag it into the playlist. Now let's create a kick pattern. Later on, I'll go deeper into why it's important to choose a kick that matches the scale of your track, but that'll be for another video. Once selected, we send it to the mixer and lower the volume to around -8 to -10 dB. Let me open Spire first to check the frequencies. Spire is a spectrum analyzer where you can see the frequency content of your sounds, as well as the mid and side parts. As we can see now, the kick has some stereo information in the low frequencies, which we need to remove. Why? To avoid phase cancellation and make sure the sound doesn't lose power or sound weak. To fix this, we set the mixer channel to mono. Now we can see there's nothing in stereo down there. Next, let's create the bass pattern with Spire, one of my favorite plugins. Here you can choose any sound you like. Don't limit yourself only to basses. You could even use a lead in the low frequencies, and it might sound great. This one sounds good, so let's make a classic trance bass pattern.
Let's hear it and check it in span. Sounds nice. Let's cut the sub-frequencies below around 25 to 30 Hz. We can also see there's stereo information in the low end. We'll fix that by adding Maximus to the mixer channel, but we'll only work on the low band under 200 Hz. And to finish, let's add LFO tool to apply sidechain, which creates that harmony between the kick and bass. Now we have a very simple example of how a kick and bass sound together. Today, we chose a kick, created a bass pattern with Spire, worked on the low frequencies to avoid phase cancellation, and added sidechain. Now we've got the foundation to start a trance track. Simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more trance production content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover in the next videos. See you in the next video.